are you? Ow! Oh.
Pleasure.
Wait, she raised you from a child? Aw, is this your nanny?
Governess.
You have a nanny? Oh man, is she going to read you bedtime stories? Is she gonna rock you to sleep? Is she going to—
About the Galra?
What do you want to know about the Galra for?
Salute.
Is that going to start with you freeing planets?
It's not that easy.
Sendak? Not that guy again.
We've got to help that planet immediately.
That you value the lives of others.
We can't let him get away. Suppose there's a quick tutorial video on how to fix this, is there?
Make sure the connection is straight. If it's even 1 degree off, the shield will fail.
That's not a tutorial!
If you hold them in place.
Hey, maybe after you freeze them, I could use my heat ray to weld them together.
Great idea, Lance.
Huh? Thanks, Princess. I couldn't have thought of it without you, though. I mean, really, I think we make a great team. Here we are, working together, just the two of us.
Let's go, Lance.
Allura!
I owed you one.